Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning. What in the world? What happened? What in the world? What happened? Alright, you guys got me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't get any sleep last night. And I slept very late. Forgive me. But we're up. We're gonna get our bamboo. Nothing changes here. Everything's exactly the same. Nothing changes. You hear me? Nothing changes. The program is the same. We're gonna get our bamboo. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm only a human. I mean, I'm only a panda. Forgive me, please. Now I know Panda does have kids. No way they let him sleep till after 9 a.m. Oh. Alright, pandas. Here we go. We're going long here. We're looking for a long. Look at all of this clutter here. This looks bad. I don't think I missed much, actually. Maybe it was good that we're starting a little late here. I don't see much of anything going on, really. If you ask me. We're going for this high or low here. See if we can make anything of this. Okay, a little baby Riz. Well, okay. We'll scratch our knees a little bit there. A little scratch. No harm done. I'm trying to capture our trading range here, which we're obviously in. Something like that. Oh, did my computer make a sound? Might be. Goodness gracious. Huh. Interesting. Hmm. Interesting. I don't want to get chopped up here. But we're in a very choppy market. Very choppy market. 2500 tick chart is a little easier to see this chop. The ATR currently is 6.39. That's teeny weeny. That's teeny like my weenie. What in the world? ATR, if you know what that is, it basically means very small range. Very low volatility right now. Very low volatility. We'll try here. I don't know if it means much, but I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try something here.
Target filled.
I'm skunking it. I don't know what's happening here. We do trigger the trap here. I'm skunking it. I don't like it. I don't like how it feels. I don't like how it looks. I don't like what it's doing. It's just very choppy right now. Very choppy. I don't say choppy anymore. I say disgusting. Yeah, see, this is disgusting. Yeah. It's filthy. Absolute filth. I guess I could have made a scalp here. I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't even trade for the rest of the day. This is terrible looking price action. I should have stayed sleeping. I should have stayed sleeping. What the heck? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't like that. I didn't like that. I still don't like it. Unless we're doing something grindy right now. Super grindy. I don't know. Is today the day to even trade? I mean, look at this. If you are making money today, congratulations. Just look at the 2500 tick chart. This basically tells you today's story. Look at this. All this overlap. It just shows you how choppy we are. It just really shows how choppy we are. No, I don't know what's happening, pandas. But I'm glad I'm out of that trade. Because that didn't do much at all. It just started dripping. Or dropping. I could do something cheeky here. Ultra cheeky. Ultra insane. I feel like I'm better off buying lower. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Simple. If you don't know what's going on, don't do anything. Only Michael Chin can make this market green. Could be green in this market. Absolutely, man. This guy never lost a trade in his life. Oh, might be. Might be. I'm trying to buy at the bottom of this trading range. Basically, that's it. I'm like coughing for some reason, so I had to mute it a little bit. I don't want to be coughing right in your ears. Unless you like that. Unless you want me to. You're welcome. Alright, what's going on here? A higher low here. What do we have here now? La da da. Hail Mary, come quick, see. What do we have here now? La da da. Might go without us. Actually, I wasn't that far off buying here. I should just waited until I actually hit the bottom. I thought we like bounced off of here. That's why I bought it. But it was the next reversal that did it for us, huh? Ooh, second entry short. Do I like it? Not really. What's that? What's going on? Hugh, that is disgusting. I'm not gonna read that comment, but that's gross. Where's a Christmas hat? I'll wear it for Christmas. Close to Christmas. Wow, look at this. It actually does reverse close to where I try to reverse it. It wanted one more stinky push down. One filthy push down. One more filthy push down and takes me out, of course, and then it actually goes the way I want it to go. Of course it does that, of course. Kind of stuck in no man's land right now. Feels like limit order market. Yeah. Stinky. It's stinky. This has stink written all over it. I'm telling you. Ugh. Oh. Whoa. How much should I extend this trade, though? How far down? Wide stop? I don't think I should do it, but I gotta buy down here. I gotta have a wide stop and buy down here. Is that not what I'm supposed to do today? Would Al Brooks be proud of me if I do this? Al Brooks has to be proud of me if I do this, no? Wide stop day today because we know it's a trading range. I'd rather get hit and just buy closer to the bottom type situation. Oof. We know we're in a trading range. Do I extend my stop loss, knowing I can scale in today, and most likely at least come out break even? Is that the plan today, pandas, or are we gonna kill ourselves? Am I in the mood to kill myself today? Am I in the mood to kill my accounts today? I don't think I can handle it. Wide stop. I can come out break even here, possibly. I can't even come out break even yet. Do we diamond cojones this one? Do we diamond cojones this one? Knowing we're in a trading range. Are we in a big triangle here? Am I making a big boo-boo? Am I making a big boo-boo here? Is this just a big triangle?
Target filled.
I don't like it. I don't know what the heck is going on. But I don't like it one bit. I don't know what's happening here. Ugh. It's a limit order market. I gotta buy a limit order somewhere. I feel way more comfortable buying with a limit order somewhere else. Kind of glad I got out. Kind of glad I got out of that trade. Skunked it. Maybe the higher low here could be a decent trade. Second entry long. Looking for a new high, but it all looks scary to me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't ever do that again. It kind of looks like this. You know what I mean, pandas? It kind of looks like it wants to do this. Maybe come back up top here, which makes sense. But it kind of feels like there's a big triangle forming here. Especially on the 5-minute chart. Easier to see. Easier to see this triangle on the 5-minute. Right? Something like this. Much easier to see the triangle here on the 5-minute chart. I hate triangles. I absolutely hate triangles. Triangles are just painful. Causes days like today. I might just call it a day and just be like, I'm negative 225. That's a win for today. Jeez Louise. Second entry long does trigger here. $2,500 tick chart's also easier to see, right? This triangle. Something like this. You know what I mean? That makes sense. This actually cuts through like that. Or actually like this. Are we breaking out of the triangle now? We already broke out once here. Are we gonna break out again? Second time is usually better chance. But who knows? Who knows on a day like today? Who knows on a day like today? I mean, should I just bounce off the top of this triangle and get back to the bottom? That is the MO today, isn't it? I'll set on my pause here. I shall sit on my pause here. What in the world is happening? I guess I should have held my trade. I would have made some bamboo. I would have made some bamboo, but it would have been hard-earned bamboo. Very hard-earned. We're reversing a little bit here. I'll do something like this. If something like this happens, I'll go short, I guess. Triggers a trap, spike, self reverses. I guess I'll take this trade here. Whatever happened here, I'm gonna take it up here. We're back in our triangle, making this a lot more likely to be a failed breakout. No clue what's happening. Let's come back down into our triangle. Really coming down now. I'm glad I got out of that. I mean, I don't know. It didn't really do much. It tried to break out. Couldn't really do anything. I mean, should I? Should I? Should I buy down here? That's what I was gonna say. Should I try? This cluster of candles makes me feel like this is like it's a key area today. This little cluster right there. When you have these like little masses like this, it kind of shows that the market kind of shows you its hand. So we go too far above it, we come back into it. If we come too far below it, we go back into it. Hence creating a trading range. Okay, doke, pandas. Let's get our limit orders ready. Let's get the engines going. Let's buy somewhere down here, see what happens. Almost want to sell this. Almost. Almost want to sell that. Seeing that we have enough room down here. Okay. It's a silly trade if I go short here. Yeah. I just love this range right now. This blue little teeny range created. We love it. We absolutely love it. We adore it. The market's adoring it right now. Third attempt to break out. I mean, third time's a charm, no? That's what they say. Third time's a charm. Trap trade. I kind of like this trap trade. There's enough room down here. Alright, let's see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Why not? Why not? Let's just see what happens. Let's see if we get back to the bottom of the triangle. It's a small baby risk. Let's just try it. Let's just try something today. Let's try something new. Don't ever try anything new, pandas. Just stick with what works. Stop trying anything new. This is what happens. You try something new, and I'm dead. Wow, I'm dead. I'm just getting chopped up here right now. I don't even know what's happening. Don't try anything new, pandas. That's what happens. I'm just getting absolutely just murdered here. We're actually breaking out now. Alright, I'm gonna go along. Obviously, there's another triangle or another trend line being created here. I mean, should I just go limit orders? Should I just be selling here? What am I doing, pandas? What am I actually doing? What in tarnation is happening right now? It's gone. It's gone. Up, and away now. Up, and away now. See how it feels like I just short here a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Are you failing again? To break out? What a failure this market is. Parents should be disappointed in you. Failed to break out again. Third try. Coming back into this blue range here. Pandas. Just give me one good trade today, please. I'm gonna do it. Just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna do the crazy. I'm gonna do the crazy thing today. I'm gonna buy with a limit order at the end of a strong bear bar. Just watch. I'm gonna do the crazy thing today. On the crazy market, the only way to win is you out crazy the crazy. Just watch. I'm gonna out crazy this crazy market. Alright, we're gonna out crazy this crazy market. Watch. We're actually gonna buy at the bottom of a strong bear bar. Because why not? Because why not? Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if I can hold on to this one. We're dead. We're absolutely just crushed the smithereens here. Just take the hit and move on. Move on with our lives. Don't we just take the hit and move on with our lives? Or do I scale in one time? One time scale in on this crazy market. Oh my goodness gracious. One time scale in on this crazy market. Nah, just take the hit. So many better things to look forward to in life than scaling in and just getting crushed. I'll just take the hit and I'll buy lower. Yeah, most likely gonna die here. We're dead. I don't know. How do you trade a market like today? How does one trade a market like today? I try to out crazy the crazy, and the crazy out crazy the crazy crazies. Could not do it. Could not out crazy the crazy enough. Try one more time. Lower highs, lower lows. What a push. What a push. Beautiful push down. Okay, beautiful push back up. What in the world's happening? What in the actual is happening? Have we decided to just crash now? Has the market decided to crash? Is the question. Second is short here. What? Second is short, but at the bottom of the trading range. What in the world? What's this to do with this? Okay, second entry short does trigger. We're gonna let it go without us. It's just too confusing. I'm gonna go long here actually on a trap if it traps. Jeez Louise. If it's beneath the 20, man, it's just silly. This is absolutely silliness. Underneath the 20 minute, but this is so silly. I don't even care. Maybe looking for a new low, possibly. Possibly not. What in the world? I'll try whatever. Coming back up to the previous day's close. Coming back into our triangle, thinking this is a failed breakout. I mean, if it makes a lower high, so be it. But I'm gonna try here. You gotta out crazy the crazy, you know? You have to out crazy the crazy sometimes. It's having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA, so it's looking a little sus to me. A little sus. It's looking a little bearish, right? Now we like push beneath the trading range. Consolidate. We gotta get above the 20 MA to feel safe. We finally touch the 20 MA. Maybe this is just your general like breakout retest type sitch. Am I going short here? Ever? Whatever, I'll just take the hit. If we get another close above 20 minutes, that's really good news for us. Alright, pushing up. Look at this monstrosity before us. Look at this monstrosity before us. What's happening right now?
Target filled.
I'll take a scalp here. Just I need to win. I need a that mental capital. I need a win. I just need any win right now. But that's just absolutely disgusting. This price action. When the price action disgusting, you gotta be disgusting. You gotta do disgusting stuff. When the market's disgusting, you gotta answer back with being disgusting, doing weird stuff. Doing stuff that I would never do, like buying long beneath the 20 MA. I mean, this doesn't even make sense, but it works. You know what I mean? Big push down, no follow through. Of course, on a day like today, right? Big push down, no follow through. Like weird. Why would it do that? I don't know, but it's doing it. Jamil says, my monthly P&L has the Christmas spirit. Red, green, red, green, red, and green. That's all it is, pandas. That's all she wrote. Bill 7, good morning, Panda. See, now we can start because Bill 7's here. That's why we had a hard time. We were waiting for Bill 7. Just ain't right. Stupid price action, exactly. Good morning, Pandas. Good morning, everyone. I'm just sitting on my paws right now. I mean, really, do I feel confident in any trade right now? Not really. I feel confident in anything. I just have this trading range here. Bounced off perfect off these pivot lows, which also is a bit crazy to think that we would do that, but we did, and we're here. So now what? What do we do from here? This had a breakout attempt of the triangle. Comes back and closes into our triangle. It's just a trading range day today, Pandas. What can we say? Buy low, sell high. That's the plan. Nothing's easy today, though. Nothing's easy today, Pandas. Benali Hawk. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, guys. We just started the stream. Let's go. I like the micro price action today. Bitcoin price action. You know what? Bitcoin might be fun to be trading right now. It's probably more volatile than this. The ATR right now is 6.11. Toe man, didn't you know today's opposite day? Reverse panda day. Is it like a panda that's actually black with white splotches on the eyes? That'd be crazy. Jamil says, speaking of Bitcoin, congrats on 100K. Yes. I bought a bunch of XRP, Bitcoin, ADA, and Ethereum. I bought a bunch, and we are up a lot on each one. XRP especially. XRP is exploding. The moment that they listed it on Robinhood and also Coinbase, it just started exploding. The moment it did that. What am I to do here? Maybe I'll trade Bitcoin today. Should we take a gander? What's Bitcoin doing? Let's trade a micro Bitcoin. See what happens. I've never done it, but what's our symbol for Bitcoin? I forget. Something weird. Something really weird. MBT. This is the 500 tick on Bitcoin. Is a tick chart even good to trade here on Bitcoin? 7 pushes down so far. Spike in channel currently. Breaking this low, right? You're kind of like, we're in a trading range here. You're kind of breaking beneath it now. I mean, Bitcoin is not. I mean, it's not like it's. Oh my, the ATR for Bitcoin is 392. That's crazy. What happens if I try to buy here or sell it here? What happens? What actually happens if I try to sell it here? Am I gonna like bust my accounts the moment I enter a trade? I've never traded Bitcoin before. But Hawk says my wife bought crypto several weeks ago, 15K worth. She's at 35K, insane. Your wife is a better trader than all of us combined. Goodness gracious, teach us the ways. But Hawk. I'm trading Bitcoin right now. It's just, I mean, it's volume's very, very low here. It's taking forever. It took ages just to go like 3 ticks. Oh, I'm gonna trade in Bitcoin, first time ever. What happens here? What are we doing here on Bitcoin? We're positive right now, currently. Is the commission's like $1 bajillion? Oh, we're about to scalp 10 points. I'll take 10 points. Oh, it's very close. Didn't quite get there though. $14. I'm risking it all for $14, Pandas. $16 here now.
Target filled.
Pandas, we successfully traded our micro Bitcoin. First trade ever, and we are profitable. That was great fun. Let's check gold. Let's see gold. Let's trade gold. Why not? Obviously, the regular market's not doing absolutely anything, so who cares? I mean, this is just crazy. I feel like I gotta try the micros. This is gold. Trap triggers here on gold. Nothing is good. Like nothing. Everything is so slow. I mean, oil. You guys ready to trade some oil or natural gas? Which one? Oil or natural gas? I heard natural gas is actually crazy. People became billionaires trading natural gas. The point value of natural gas is two. Oh! Oh! Something happened. We're breaking down here. I think I gotta restart the machine. Do not open natural gas on a tick chart. Pandas, I'm telling you right now, do not do it. You will destroy your computer. I'll be right back. It's okay on your screen, but my screen is completely blank. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, Pandas. It just went crazy. I might call it a day. This is just untradeable. You know, sometimes you gotta just recognize when a day's untradeable, and this is one of those days. When you get price action that looks like this, with your ATR being 6.8, it's not even worth it, Pandas. Like it's truly not worth it. What am I looking at right now, actually? What am I actually looking at right now? You know something's up when you start trying to trade natural gas and your computer explodes. You know something's wrong with the market. If you're that desperate to get a trade in, and you end up going to natural gas where each point is $2,500. Each point is 2,500. That's a bit crazy. Okay, we did trigger this little thing here. Let's see if something happens. The thing is, on the 5-minute chart, we've been making lower highs and lower lows the entire day. It might not look like it, but we were making lower highs and lower lows, right? These pivots are lower pivots. If we continue that pattern, then a lower high is going to come here and a lower low. If we continue the pattern, it might trigger a second entry short. I don't know. Possibly a second entry short here on the 5-minute chart. I'm not thinking much about it, to be honest. I'm not thinking much of it. Jamil says, oh, I'm 100% accurate on Bitcoin. Exactly. I'm 100% green on Bitcoin. I'm still upset my order didn't go through. Back in like 2017 when Bitcoin was dead again, it was like dead. And I was like, you know what? I should buy some. It was at like 4,000 or something like that. And I was like, all right, a good round number. Let's get down to 3,000. And I had a buy limit order at $3,000 for to buy 3 Bitcoin. I was about to buy 3 Bitcoin and yeah. The Bitcoin, the lowest it went after that, it kept going down and it was like 3,500 and 3,400, 3,200 and 3,124. I know the exact number. The exact low Bitcoin was 3,124 because that's how traumatizing it was. I believe that's the low. And it never reached 3,000. It was like $100 away from 3,000. And ever since then, I've had like the maximum amount of FOMO anyone could possibly have. Yeah, this was after the drop. Right after Bitcoin hit like 20K, it had a big drop. And I was like, all right, let me buy it at 3K. And the low, I'll tell you the exact low, at least on, where are we? This is Coinbase, because that's where I had my order on. The exact low was, sorry, $3,128. That was the low. I was $128 away from turning my Bitcoin into 300K. My 3 Bitcoins at 300K. 300K is nice. It's not life-changing money, but definitely it helps. Helps with like a house. Helps with a business if you want to buy a business. Something like this is happening right now. Something of the sort. I'm going to try one more trade today, and it's going to burn me. I'm like so certain it's going to burn me here. But I'm going to try one more trade here. I'm so certain it's going to burn me, but I'm going to try. I'm like so certain it's going to burn me. So absolutely certain I'm going to get burned here. It's a second entry short right now on the 5-minute chart. I'm so certain I'm getting burned here. The 5-minute second entry short here forming. I'm so certain I'm getting burned here, but whatever. Last trade of the stream. Let's go for it. Thoughts and prayers, Pandas. I'm gonna need it. It's also a failed right OI pattern. OI breaks the upside. If it reverses here, it actually kind of fails. A very good chance of failing, so I'm gonna try. I'll limit order market. Never mind. Maybe I should just bought off this trend line. That was the plan. That was the plan all along. Stop being so complicated. Just buy off this trend line. That's all you need to do to make money today. What in the world? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? I bet you didn't think you're going to hear a Carmen Sandiego reference today, but you just did. Aloha trader. Do you trade crypto on Robinhood? Yes. That's where I put all my I just bought through Robinhood. All right, pushing up now. Coming back into our trading range, whatever. I'm going to end this soon. Mostly because I have no idea what's happening. Look, pandas. Let me just say this. If you can't understand what's happening by looking at the past, there's no chance you're going to understand what's going to happen in the future. You know what I mean, pandas? Like, if I can't make sense of all this, to me, if this looks like nonsense, then I'll tell you right now, I have no chance to make a good trade, because if I can't understand the past, there's no way I'm understanding the future. You know what I mean? That am I so based right now? Am I too based? I might be the most based panda ever to exist, and that in itself is based. If you can't understand the past, there's no way you're gonna understand the future. You know what I mean, pandas? Alright, we're going to try a little sneaky deaky one here. Let's see what happens. A little sneaky deaky. Let's let it sneaky deaky here. Little sneaky deaky here. Let's see if we can get like just a limit order trade here. We win, we lose, don't matter. It's all good. It's all good. We're making lower highs and lower lows, so hopefully we continue that pattern here. And if we don't continue that pattern here, then it just happens to be we're, you know, just entering at the absolute worst time. But right now, this is a like limit order market, so you gotta sell with a limit order somewhere. If you want to buy, you gotta buy with a limit order somewhere. That's the name of the game today. We do hit the 1-to-1 on this inside bar. Very nice. Okay. I'm just so scared. I want to come out break even now. I'm so scared. All right. You know you're in a bad trade when you can't even come out break even when you want to. You can't come out break even if you wanted to. I'm going to lower my risk here, because if we're not making lower highs anymore, what's the point of taking this trade? Your premise is done. You're no longer making lower highs and lower lows. Your premise is just kaputs. You know what I mean, pandas? Strong bull bar ending on its high doesn't mean anything today. We'll find out right now. We'll absolutely find out right now if this means anything today. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Limit order market. What's happening? We'll find out right now. This is it. Are we going to continue our pattern with lower highs, lower lows? Obviously not. The moment I enter, it's going to break the pattern. It's going to absolutely destroy me. All right, pandas. That's all I can handle today. This is absolute just disgusting. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully on time. I'm sorry. I had a hard time sleeping last night. It just messed me up. Pandas! Let not today's small red day stop you from trading. Because tomorrow is a brand new day, and hopefully tomorrow will be much better than today. Look at this price action and tell me that it's not disgusting. Oh, is it reversing now? That's just disgusting. Jeez. All right, absolutely filthy. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. At least we traded Bitcoin. We are 1-for-1 on Bitcoin. Pandas! Even though we're red today, I had a great time with y'all. Hope Hope you guys join tomorrow. Scalp that like button. And I'll see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.